Good evening and welcome to your latest weather update from the Met Office. Some clear spells coming through during this evening, but further wet and windy weather is on its way into the start of Saturday. So cold front clearing through, giving some clear spells through Friday evening, but we do have this low pressure arriving, bringing some very wet and windy weather, particularly across the northern half of the UK, and that's going to last right the way through until Sunday. So back to this evening. So this is the remnants of that cold front clearing away to the southeast, giving some clear spells across much of England and Wales through Friday night. But we do have this frontal system arriving from the northwest, slowly spreading southeastwards, giving a fairly damp start to the day for Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales and the north of England. Temperatures, though, a bit milder to start the day on Saturday, around 7 to 9 degrees, certainly underneath the cloud in the west, and no frost expected. So certainly a milder feel to the day on Saturday. But it will be a fairly damp start to the day. That rain steadily sinking southeastwards, giving fairly difficult driving conditions on this busy travelling Saturday. Winds strengthening in the cool air as well, and we do have a yellow warning in force for much of the northern half of the UK, and that's for winds widely expected to be around 50 to 60 miles per hour, a touch stronger on the coast, and the strongest winds are expected across the northern half of Scotland. Here we could see winds into 80 miles per hour at times, and there could be some travel disruption associated with these. Elsewhere in this cool air we do have some wintry and blustery showers moving through, could turn into hill snow for a time over parts of Scotland as well. Temperatures generally a touch milder across the south, 11 to 13 degrees, in some places lingering with some rain through Saturday afternoon, but cooler across the far north, 7 to 6 degrees in that cooler air. Then heading through the rest of Saturday, so we're going to see further blustery showers moving through, that rain finally clearing across the far southeast. There might be a few clearer spells across the very far southeast of England, but there will be frequent blustery showers moving through, and particularly into Sunday morning. Hill snow likely to be falling over parts of Northern Ireland, Northern Wales, Northern England and Scotland. So particularly cool, with perhaps some cooler wintry showers through Sunday morning. Yellow wind warning still in force for that northern half of the UK starting on Sunday as well. Temperatures are going to be much cooler than the previous day, 2 or 3 degrees across the north and a touch milder across the south as well. Heading through the rest of Sunday, so it's going to be another blustery and windy day for much of the UK, still holding on to a yellow wind warning, and that will be continuing right the way through until the evening. Those hill snow and showers do start to move away, so by the time we head into the afternoon, any hill snow will be restricted to Scotland and over the high ground there. Elsewhere, those showers becoming a little less frequent by Sunday afternoon. Certainly eastern parts of England will be seeing some clearer and brighter spells. Temperatures around 6 to 9 degrees. But with that wind, it is certainly going to be feeling much cooler. So this is the feels-like temperature, in some places down to 0 degrees. So with that wind, it's going to certainly be feeling quite cool on Sunday. Heading through Sunday evening, that wind warning does expire through the evening time, and we start to see things turn a little bit calmer before we start to see some milder weather approaching towards Christmas. If you want to find out any more on the weather, please do have a look at our YouTube channel.